If you're trying to figure out the easiest way to quickly make more money in your business right now, I have 3 words for you: paid live workshop. At the beginning of May, I'm releasing a brand new course called Workshop Magic. It teaches you how to find your workshop idea, how to validate it before you do any selling, how to fill it up, and get it all done in just 7 days. My first workshop sold out in 90 minutes and then went on to bring in over $8,000 in revenue. And it was the simplest thing that I have ever done. Wish I'd started doing this so much sooner. If you want to find out more about Workshop Magic, make sure you go over to clairepels.com/magic. Now let's look at 5 of the reasons why learning to sell out paid workshops is one of the best things that you can add to your list of products or services right now. 1, people want something to show up for. They want something to put on their calendar right now. They want to have something to actually do, and they want to do it in community. So a live workshop can give them that, and they don't just feel like, oh, here's another course that I'm going to buy and never actually open. That brings us to reason number 2. People want the accountability of a live workshop to actually make them learn the thing that they're interested in and then take action on doing it. Because they actually have to do that between different sessions. I teach you to do multiple sessions in a workshop. They actually get more done than if they just bought another self-study course. Reason number 3, live workshops with limited seats have a higher perceived value. People know that they're not just like one of countless faceless people who are, learning from some course creator. They're there, they get to know each other in the chat, they really get to know you, and that in general is just a higher value experience. Which ties into reason number 4, having that higher value experience, having the back and forth, the personalized feedback, being able to get real questions, personal questions answered in a workshop actually makes the experience much, much better than just kind of having like a Facebook group where you put in your questions and maybe you get an answer, or maybe you get answers from a million people who have nothing to do with actually the course that you bought. That heightened experience is almost definitely going to result in more and better testimonials from people, which you need in order to sell anything online. Let's just face it, you need to be able to show that people love your work and got results from your work, and you'll be able to get those testimonials much more quickly in doing a live workshop. Finally, and this is probably the most important reason, number 5 is having a live experience with you, getting that back and forth, really making a connection with you is going to lead to sales of other things. And I believe you should make a specific pitch during your workshop so that people who have kind of test-driven working with you by coming to the live workshop can decide, yep, I'm taking this baby home with me, drive it off the lot, and they sign up to work with you within a certain time frame. I recommend a specific upsell sequence so that people have an incentive to continue their work with you now. So those are the 5 reasons, or just 5 of the many reasons, that selling live workshops can be extremely powerful and make it relatively easy for you to bring revenue into your business. That course, Workshop Magic, is coming in just a few days. Hop onto the waitlist at clairepels.com/magic.